This is a troubleshooting video for the Philips 1200 super automatic espresso machine. And this is specifically about the milk wand. So you can make really great milk for your espresso. Here's the thing. It comes in two parts. You see on the metal sleeve there is this little hole with a black ring around it. That's what introduces the air into the milk. That needs to be clean and clear. First and foremost, when you wash it, make sure it's clean. Now when you put it back together, there's a tendency to stop at that third little rubber ring, like right here. And it seems like it's good. It's not good. If you do this right here, that rubber ring on the inside is going to block that hole. You're not going to introduce any air into your milk. So push a little further. There you go. It's flush right here. You're good to go. Except for this little black part right here that sticks out. It's imperative that that sticks out. It can get knocked inside of the sleeve if you drop it face down in, say, the dishwasher or something like I've done, and then you got to stick your finger down in there, make sure it protrudes. If you don't do that, you're not going to make any steamed, you're not going to have any air in your milk. You're just going to have hot milk, which is not what you want. So I hope this helps you guys.